guys, welcome to Vancouver. I'm Monika.
And I am Luis. Welcome to Molu's Vlogs. Good morning guys, welcome to Vancouver.
Welcome to Vancouver. It's very nice, we're actually docked right downtown. It's perfect. Everything is walking distance.
Yeah, you can see the big city right here.
And look. You can see the family.
This is our very first time here. So we're looking forward to spend a day here. In 50 years in the company, this is my first time here. And I've heard amazing things about this place. And we're looking forward to go and see this amazing city. So that's how a luxurious cruise ship looks like. In 2017, I had the chance to go and see that ship inside. We were docking alongside with the Empress of the Seas in Bahamas for a dry dock, and it's gorgeous. This is the first view. So
I can live here too. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the steam clock should be somewhere over there.
yeah.
The tree,
Look at those beautiful trees. Okay, this is the Port of Vancouver. It's a very fancy place.
It looks kind of like an airport. Like
It does kind of look like an airport. Totally agree. It looks like an airport.
It's the biggest I've been so far.
It's like fate on our side.
Yeah.
Wherever we go, there is a Thai restaurant. We're not going there today. I think we're going to Nando's actually.
I think we can go for a Thai dip.
Yeah, look and see how beautiful it looks in here. This is the waterfront center.
I think coffee here would be great. Okay, so one of my favorite places in Tirana to eat is called Artigiano. And look what I found here, Artigiano!
So we came for a coffee here. It's called Artigiano. Fun fact, we have a coffee shop in Albania called Artigiano too. We're just gonna have some coffee before we walk around. Teresa and Giuseppe, they're having already their order. And Monika is ordering ours. Look at this. Nom nom. Very nice coffee shop, like very cozy. Yeah, Monika ordered the same. She has a cappuccino and a croissant with in steroids. Okay, let's try to see how good it is. It's really good. The Canadian Pacific Railway here in Vancouver. Something that I really like from Canada is extremely clean. Wherever you go, everything is in order, everything is clean, tidy. It is very similar to the Space Needle in Seattle. Just saying. The Gastown steam clock is must see while in Vancouver. The clock whistles every 15 minutes, which gives it a unique charm. You can also find some excellent souvenir shops around the area and some great restaurants. nice.
Yeah, that was cool.
So a lot of all these structures here in Vancouver are old. Like this building is from 1910.
I'm Peppa Pig. Oh, this is my little brother George.
I'll show you later what he's doing.
So we are on our way to Nando's for lunch, although we had a very rich breakfast. I don't know how much we'll be able to eat.
Yeah, we had a croissant with steroids.
Yeah, that's how Luis likes to call it. But yeah, we did have a very rich breakfast, so I'm still full. Even though we walked a lot, yeah, it's still not enough. Okay. So the thing that I like most is the coffee shops, like everywhere in every corner, and as an Albanian, we live for that.
Yeah, there's a lot of restaurants and coffee shops all over the place. Like, yeah, very busy city, as you can notice. It's very diverse. We're going right here now to Nando's for lunch. So we're coming for Nando's because Teresa is from the UK and she didn't have Nando's in a very long time.
Well, also Teresa has been coming to with us to eat seafood.
And she doesn't eat
and
seafood.
She doesn't eat seafood. She's just coming every time with us, just sitting there, ordering just like literally like nothing.
She's been very nice. So today we're gonna come and join them.
Yep.
They're ordering already. Oh, they're already going to sit. So we made it to Nando's. We looked at the delicious food. Teresa got the sandwich with the chips. And we got more chips. And we got the avocado and pulled chicken with avocado and roasted pepper. And I got the quarter of chicken with chips and mashed potato. And we have the wings. Mother, what did you order? What do you order?
Chicken wings. Garlic bread.
Nom 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 nom. Let's cause some damage. Vancouver is a major city in British Columbia, Canada, and the 8th largest town in the country. The city is ethnically and linguistically diverse, with 52% of the population speaking a first language other than English. Vancouver has the third highest number of immigrants of any city in Canada, with more than 630,000 immigrants from more than 170 different countries. It is consistently ranked as one of the world's most livable cities and was recently ranked the 5th most livable city in the world. So far, we had a very nice sightseeing walking around the city. We can tell so far that Vancouver is an amazing place to come and visit. Very diverse, lots of things to do. Like I mentioned before, nighttime must be really nice. Shame that it's only one time that we come here.
Yeah. I hope we come back here again. I love Vancouver.
Yeah, actually, Canada in general is such a great place to be. So many apartments in the city. Most of the buildings are apartments here in Vancouver. Studios, office, but yeah, mostly apartments everywhere you go.
Vancouver is truly a beautiful and vibrant city with something for everyone. If you enjoy walking, you should definitely check out the seawall, which extends around Century Park and it's over 22 kilometers in length, making it the longest uninterrupted walkway in the world. Vancouver is also the third most livable place in the world for its high standards of living and quality of life, while it is ranked as the 10th cleanest city in the world. And if you find yourself walking downtown, you will see that more than 50% is residentials. So don't be surprised to see a lot of high-rise condominiums. Just relax and enjoy the city view. What should be on your list of places to visit is definitely the Vancouver Aquarium, which ranks in the top 5 worldwide. Also, Canada's longest pool. Actually, it's an outdoor saltwater pool. It's a major tourist attraction and it's open all year round.
So this is it for us today, guys. We really enjoy Vancouver. We need to go back to work now to our beautiful ovation of the seas. Today is our last day on board as we're heading home tomorrow. Tomorrow we're signing off, finishing our contract, and it's gonna be a nice long day going to the airport and flying to Costa Rica. We'll show you the video next week. It's been a pleasure, and we'll see you next week. So ciao for now.
Ciao.